Welcome back guys, this is Teki Rick. Today I'm first look the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G. I know this phone specifications, future and launch date. Guys, you want to know this phone specifications? Don't skip the video. First, this phone launch date is confirmed February 14. I think you know, right? February 14 is Lovers Day. Okay, first overview of the phone specifications. The display is a 6.4 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display. It's not a flat screen, it's a curved screen phone. Yeah, last model Xiaomi Mi 9 is a flat screen, but Xiaomi Mi 10 and 10 Pro 5G come with curved screen. Also, two devices support 90 Hz refresh rate. Processor. Xiaomi CEO confirmed the last event Xiaomi's next flagship phone come with Snapdragon 865. Yes, this Xiaomi Mi 10 and 10 Pro 5G also come with same Snapdragon 865. But normal Mi 10 only 4G version, but the Mi 10 Pro 5G only 5G version phone. Anyways, Snapdragon 865. Maybe some rumors tell this device coming in India named Poco F2. Maybe some chances available. What do you think guys? Do you like this device come in Poco F2 in India? Comment now. I really like it. Battery is a 5250 mAh battery. Xiaomi's first huge battery smartphone in flagship. It's good. Xiaomi's vice president posted one photo on his Twitter. It's not a impressive zoom on focus range. However, it's not a clear zoom in the photo. It's just a craft a high resolution of 108 megapixel image. Just see guys. Normally Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G it support 60x digital zoom, but this photo taken only normal 108 megapixel. Just taken photo cropped to show you. Then normally it's looking really good. Then you use 60x digital zoom is much better camera clarity. Second one 60 megapixel ultra wide, third one 12 megapixel telephoto lens with support 5x optical zoom, third one 5 megapixel macro sensor. Guys, I got only one question for you. Do you like macro sensor or depth sensor? Comment now. Xiaomi officially confirmed the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5G come with UFS 3.0 and DDR5 RAM. Basic model 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, and higher model 1TB storage with 16GB RAM. It's really good and beast. It's running on Android 10 based in MI UI 11. Okay, what the main highlights for this device? UFS 3.0 storage and DDR5 RAM and 90Hz display refresh rate, punch hole with AMOLED display and Snapdragon 865 and 108 megapixel camera. And main this device price it's $450 and Indian price it's 30,000 is the main highlight for this device. Okay guys, what do you think? Do you like this device Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 5?